Okay, you can see over here, installation is complete. Okay, complete your MongoDB, completed the MongoDB 8.2.1. Okay, now click on the finish button. Okay, right now everything is finished. If you, right now what you can able to do, clicked over here. Okay, sir, this is the by default is open, you can close that. Okay, let me minimize everything applications. Right now see over here, the desktop icon also is there, you can double click over here. Okay, or else you can go to the search engine and you can search over here, you can go over here and you can search over here MongoDB Campus. Okay, Compass. Okay, so Compass you can able to open and you can see over here your MongoDB is installed properly. But what happened over here, I don't have anything. If I want to be a start, see, add a new connection are not present over here. Okay, so how we can do the connection, let me show you. Right now you install a MongoDB properly, but you did not install yet your what is called, let me check it over here, that is called to the install to the MongoDB server. Connection is not there, right? Only you install to the surface, you install to the relevant to the MongoDB file, what you did not install to the MongoDB server. Okay, so how we can do that? Simply check box. Okay, wait, over there, let me see anything. Okay, so what happened, we need to be go to the, I think so, in the Google Chrome and search over here. Right now this community, right now we need to be search over here MongoDB, that is called server. Okay, or even if you can writing over here MongoDB install, MongoDB download, after later they are saying that MongoDB shell installation. Are you checking? Shell we need to be installed, MongoDB shell, because where I want to do the coding, isn't it? So click over here MongoDB shell. Okay, let me show you where we are right now. Okay, so we are MongoDB services for over here, that purpose we need to be installed to the okay, I think so we forgot something. uh check onto the box, say run MongoDB as an server. This is allowed to the MongoDB start automatically. Okay, so MongoDB as a server. Okay, keep default settings as a, and click next. Okay, we completed that everything. Okay, and then after, because we already chosen to the service, when we are going to be inside of the what we can say, it's over here complete button, right? When you choose on that complete button, I already clicked over there that checkbox, and after that a setting by default I put, and I put to the next. Okay, before that I think so we install anything, let's go to the these steps also, that is called what, Windows plus R. And you need to be a do one thing. Okay, we need to be a use in your keyboard Windows plus your services. Okay, means what happened, you need to go to the where that we need to go to the over here Windows. Okay, then after we need to search over here service, isn't it? See services over here, clicked over here services. Okay, and check it over here, check it over here MongoDB. So I'm clicking over here MongoDB, MongoDB. Okay, where is that MongoDB? See over here MongoDB, and MongoDB is running right now, isn't it? Whenever we are using MongoDB server, always check that is it running or not. Okay, see MySQL server also is running over here, isn't it? So check that every time your MySQL, sorry, MongoDB server is running or not. Okay, if you want to be a right click over here, see MongoDB stop. If you can again want to be a start, click over here. Right now my one is the running state, so that's why I am not going to be a start that. Okay, my one is in running, so I check that MongoDB is running perfectly. Okay, then after that what happened, we can go to the over here, or else we can go to the in your command prompt also. Okay, we can go to the command prompt and you can say that net stop MongoDB, means simply what happened, you can go over here. There is a two-way I am saying that how we can able to handle the MongoDB. Okay, so we can go to the command prompt, run as an administrator, and you can write over here command that is called this one. What is this? Net stop MongoDB. Okay, means what, I want to be a start Mongo, I want to be a stop my MongoDB, and over here you can say to that uh, you know Okay, let me write this. Control C copy. I'm going over here so you can understand much better. Net stop MongoDB. Okay, enter button. See right now what the MongoDB server service is stopped, isn't it? Are you getting? Check it over here. Now let me show you also inside of the virtually also services. If you can go over here right now, again I'm searching MongoDB. Check it over here. See MongoDB. What happened? Is it MongoDB in running? No, right? Isn't it? If you want to be a start again back, so let me show you. You need to be write another command that is called what? Over here, instant of stop right over here. That is called start, isn't it? So enter, then your MongoDB will be a start again back. But what happened when you are install that time only it started to the service. So do not stop that. I'm just showing a extra stuff to you. Okay, so if you can close also, you can see over here in behind services, you can see in behind services MongoDB is running. Let me search again back to the Mongo. Okay, check it over there. Is it in running? Right? So it should be the running mode only. Okay, your server should be the run. So that we done. Right now, next step is what? Install what that introduction to the MongoDB shell, right? So we need to be a download shell where we can able to code the your MySQL, right? Isn't it? So let's do that. We need to be just go to the over here. Let me go back. So previously we installed a MongoDB community server download, and right now we need to be a download MongoDB shell. Okay, so let me download over here MongoDB shell. I'm clicking. Okay, my internet is little bit slow. That's why it's take time. Okay, and then after scroll down, see we want a version 2.5.8. Okay, Windows 10 plus, and I want to be a zip instant. I want to be a MSI file. Okay, change that instant of zip format. I want to be a MSI file, and just click over here. Okay, right now we started. I already have, so I'm going to be a stop. This is a Mongo sh. Mongo sh means what? Mongo shell. Okay, are you getting that? Okay, so simply I'm closing every tab. Okay, I don't want to be continue the download because I already have. See over here this PC. After that we are going to be a download. Over here you can see Mongo shell. Let's install to the Mongo shell. Double click over here. Installation we have did. Welcome to the Mongo shell setup wizard. Next, okay. Right now we do not need to give this path. Okay, don't use this path. Go to the in the this PC, a C drive. Create over here one MongoDB. Okay, as one particular folder. So I'm going over here and creating MongoDB. Okay, MongoDB as I'm creating. Let me check also what I created the last time. You can see. Okay. I think so. We need to create to the Mongo shell instead of MongoDB. Okay. So what happened? I am creating folder name as a MongoDB. Okay. Mongo shell sh. So we can understand all Mongo files are over here. Okay. So let's go. I want to give to the path, change path. Okay, back. I want to go properly where I have to the Mongo shell. I choose that particular path, say OK, and after install just for to the Rohit purpose. Yes, okay. Just say to the next, okay, and install. So Mongo shell also are installing. Complete a Mongo shell setup. Okay, then finish. Now everything is completed. Now next happen what happened? Just we need to be a open your Mongo shell. Okay, how we can do that? Open your Mongo shell. Okay, let me show you. Refresh. Okay, now let's go.